Wow, he's zapping out.
Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. What's going on? This is the urgency tour. Yeah, man. I just grew some. Is this my? These not my locks. Hold on.
No, those aren't locks.
Hold on.
Hey. My name is
You look like a lamp.
My name is Shinobi.
Yeah, man. So, like I was saying, yeah, you know,
you got some
yeah,
rice?
like, yo, I just grew my locks here. You like those, yeah? Yeah, those are hard, yeah. All right, yeah. So this is the urgency tour, and we're at the south of the border. You know, yeah. South of the border, yeah, south of the border, and we're just getting it in at the hot show. You know what I mean? So you got to get that bro. You see that? You know what I mean? We're hitting up Orangeburg, South Carolina. You know, we're hitting up Orangeburg, South Carolina. I think we'll probably go to, you know, the what is it called? We just saw, huh? Yeah, that right there. We're going to the Waffle House. You see what I'm saying? Because we got to eat. You know, but
You're in a Mexican restaurant if we can find it.
yeah, right. We're at the south of the border. Yeah, we gotta go. We're going to a south. We're going to, man. Get out of here.